In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway to your hosting a website. Now, adding a payment gateway is a crucial step if you're planning to start accepting payments from your customers seamlessly. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you need to head over to Hostinger, open your preferred web browser and type in hostinger.com to bring your idea online with a website, or simply click on the provided link if you're following along on a device. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, go ahead and look for the login button. This is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is your central place for managing everything related to your website hosted on Hostinger. Once you're on the H panel, you will see various options on the side menu. Look for the section labeled Websites and click on it. This section will give you an overview of all the websites you have under your Hostinger account. Next, navigate to the specific website you want to manage. Click on Manage Store to enter the store management area of your web page. This is where you can adjust various settings and configurations specific to your online store or website. Now that you are in the store management section, the next thing you want to do is locate and click on Settings. This option is typically designed to help you fine-tune various functions of your online store, so it's pretty intuitive. Once you've opened the settings, you'll see a variety of options to manage your store's operations. Here, look for Payments and click on it. This is the area where you manage all your payment related settings, which includes adding and configuring payment gateways, an essential step in setting up an online store. Now you're in the payment management section of your website settings. To add a new payment gateway, you simply click on the plus add button. This will allow you to select from a range of available payment gateways that are compatible with Hostinger's platform. From here, you can follow the prompts to complete the integration of your chosen payment method. And there you have it. By following these steps, you successfully add a payment gateway to your Hostinger website, paving the way for a seamless transaction process for your customers. Remember, the choice of payment gateway can impact your customers' shopping experience, so choose a reliable one that's popular with your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.